My friends, today's video is all about luxury vinyl plank floors, specifically yours, and how to make them cleaner and look better. Vinyl plank floors are great. They give you the look and feel of hardwood flooring without the construction or price. You've achieved this in your own home, and right now there is nothing that could dull your sparkle. So without any further ado, let's talk about how to clean your vinyl plank floors with confidence. Like I do in so many of my videos, I'm going to give you a level 1 cleaning and then I'm going to give you a level 2 cleaning. The level 1 cleaning is for floors that just need a little bit of a routine touch-up from time to time. Not much traffic, and overall the floors just stay in pretty good shape. And then the level 2 cleaning is for those of you who go hard! High traffic, dogs, cats, dance parties. Basically, the level 2 cleaning is for those of you whose floors get filthy. The level 1 cleaning, we're going to make a special DIY vinyl plank flooring cleaner. I know some of you will love that. So first off, you're going to need to purchase you a flat microfiber spray mop. This right here comes right off. You can throw it in the washer. You can buy a few more of these pads to go with your mop. This comes right off. It's got a little plastic container so you can put your cleaning solution right inside. Pop it right back on. This right here, I bought at Walmart for like 20 bucks. Comes with a trigger. It works and it will get the job done. This is the mop I use in my own home. However, if you are into superior quality, top of the line, the brand Rubbermaid makes a spray mop that is absolutely fantastic. Highly, highly recommended. I will leave a link to that product down below in the video description box if you want to go that route. If not, then just head to Walmart, pick this thing up. This is the brand Osita. You can pick this up, you can put this to work, and it'll get the job done. Hey, works just fine. It's what I use. Let's talk about the DIY cleaner we're going to use for our vinyl plank floors. Pop this up, cap will come right off, it'll unscrew right off, and you're going to fill this up with 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 cap of Mrs. Meyers multi-surface concentrated cleaner, and lastly, fill the rest up with water. So real quick, why are we going to use these products to clean our floors with? Number 1, the rubbing alcohol, we're using it because it's got a drying agent, so it's going to help those floors dry faster. And number 2, it's got some disinfectant properties. Yay, yay. Also, the Mrs. Meyers Cleaning Day, why are we using it? Well, number 1, it smells awesome. And number 2, it does a great job of cleaning those floors without leaving behind the sticky residue. As long as you are faithful to the recipe I just gave you. 1 cap. If you use more than 1 cap, yes, you run the risk of a sticky residue, as you would with any cleaner you decide to use. It doesn't matter if the cleaner says no sticky residue. If you use half the bottle on the floor, you're going to have sticky residue. So what we're doing here is you sweep or you vacuum the floors to get up all the debris, and then you pull that trigger to release that cleaner onto the floor with your spray mop and mop with the grain. Easy peasy Louisy. Now for the level 2 cleaning, most of you should not need this. The level 1 cleaning should be fine. But for those of you whose floors are filthy, here's the solution. You're gonna need a good old-fashioned string mop, come on now, and some Dawn dish soap. What this is gonna allow you to do is go back and forth with your mop, rinsing it out, changing out your water as needed. If you try to do this cleaning with the flat mop, you're just going to end up smearing that dirt everywhere, all over the floors, and make a huge mess. And you will go through a slew of microfiber pads. So fill your bucket up with some warm water and get a few squirts of Dawn dish soap and start damp mopping the floors. Don't slop mop, no slop mopping, only damp mopping. If you're unfamiliar with those terms or you don't even know where to start, you have no idea how to use a string mop. It's old school, I'm new school, I don't know how to use a string mop. If you don't know how to mop your floors with the string mop, I made a video specifically for that. It's dedicated specifically for that. It's called How to Mop Your Floors. You'll find it on the channel, or I will leave the video listing linked down below for you. Check that video out so that you can implement this level 2 cleaning. Now before we end this video, let's talk about 4 things that you need to avoid. So these are the no-nos. Steam mop. Whatever you do, do not use a steam mop. The intense heat can penetrate the seams of the vinyl plank, cause them to bend and warp, and also loosen up the glue holding them together. So whatever you do, avoid the steam mop at all costs. Number 2, wax. no wax, no wax. Linoleum floors require the wax, not these. If you put wax on these floors, then you're really gonna get your sticky residue. And when you get a sticky residue on vinyl plank floors, they become a magnet for dirt. Then they really gonna be filthy then. And dull, I should say. Number 3, hard scrubbing with like a nylon brush or a sponge. The scratchy side of a sponge. Whatever you do, don't do that. It can leave scuff marks and it will just take the shine away. And number 4, abrasive cleaners like bleach, ammonia. Just stick to the 2 cleanings I gave you above and you will be good to go. No need to get fancy. So that is it, my friends, how to clean your vinyl plank floors. Thanks so much for checking out the video. If you liked it and you found it valuable, please give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. Really helps us out. And also, if you want to take our relationship to the next level, then drop me a comment down below. With that being said, implement the steps I've outlined in this video on your vinyl plank floors, and you will be well on your way to becoming the domesticated cleaning savage that I know you are. Now it's time I proclaim, Calcutta don't contain anything inhumane, just a non-toxic